Alright, y'all, this is just some of the stuff that you gotta have to make the dumpling lasagna. Here we go. Chicken broth, oyster sauce. We got some rice wine vinegar. We got some sweet cooking seasoning sauce there. Toasted sesame oil, mixed garlic, cabbage, carrots, ginger, peanut butter, cilantro, white pepper, chili oil, chili crisp, green onions, soy sauce, baking soda, mushrooms, wonton wraps, some more seasoning, sugar, lime juice, and of course our meat. This is a bunch of stuff. Let's get to work. We're gonna grind up some coriander. We're gonna take all the veggies and chop them up really dang small. You pretty much gonna take all that stuff I just showed you, except for a couple things, and mix it all together real good. Gonna put a thin layer of all that mixing in the bottom. Next, a layer of the wrap. Keep that going until you get to the top of the pan. You're gonna fill up the sides about halfway with broth. Put the foil over the pan. That's gonna steam it while it's in the oven. Gonna make our top sauce right here while that's cooking. About an hour and a half at 400 degrees, you're gonna come out with this right here. The aroma is about to knock you down, but you got to go ahead and put your other toppings on the top. Your top sauce you just made, got some chili crispies, got some chili oil, some cilantro, some green onions. It's gonna make it look real good, and you cannot mess up the flavor of this right here, folks. It is unbelievable. This is one of my favorite dishes altogether with wild game, and I am serious about that. There it is right there. Put your little soy sauce on there. For real, y'all, this can't be beat. Until you try it, you will not know how good this actually is. And you can check out our other videos and stuff to see how we obtain this meat and how you can break it down and put it inside this meal right here.